Introducing the Creatio Payment Gateway by InterWeave, the smart integration platform for CRM. The Creatio Payment Gateway supports all MSP payment types processed in either Creatio or your website. The Creatio Payment Integration Datasheet contains background information on merchant accounts, payment gateway details, credit card payments, recurring billing information, and other detail in the customer's data. The right-hand side of the data sheet shows we integrate with some of the most popular merchant service providers. We currently integrate with 48 MSPs. If you don't see yours, just let us know and we'll incorporate that into our solution for you. Additionally, there's full documentation for your support. When processing a credit card transaction in Creatio, you're going to start with the customer's account, then invoice. Here's the credit card client expiration dates, credit card bills, and more. There's a custom object that we're going to create under an invoice called a transaction. Every time you process a transaction with a merchant service provider, we'll be creating a new record with the status, approved, declined, this type of detail. You will notice there are two other custom objects. Payments and credit memos. These objects receive these transactions directly from the accounting system. Let's move to the Creatio payment solution and log in. You can see the details of the configuration. Here are the Creatio and the Authorize.net credentials and other properties. I selected to have an email sent to me after a data connection error and a full daily report in the morning. When you click Save and Finish, we generate the solution flows that process the data from Creatio to your merchant service provider and back. On the left-hand side, these are scheduled transaction flows. For example, if I set the timing for 60,000 milliseconds and click Start, this would be 1 minute. Lower down are individual utility transactions. For example, the bottom one is for a named account, ends with an N. The one above is for a date range, ending with a DRS. You have the option to use InterWeave flows, or you can use a custom button in your Creatio. Let's select Customer Account Invoice INV27. In this invoice, you can see multiple transactions have been selected. The invoice total is $14,499, but we are first paying $10,499 with the manual credit card button, which will process the transaction. You can see the transaction record was created on June 26, 2023, when this payment was processed. We then set up recurring payments for $1,000 for 4 months, starting on July 15, 2023. These transactions are supported by moving the current stage from negotiation/review to invoiced. The structure may be simple, but the extended options support complex customers' requirements. So what's next? Contact your InterWeave sales representative and schedule a demo. When you decide to engage with InterWeave, you will be given a sign-on and password to our help site, help.interweave.biz. Let's start the process. We look forward to having you as a customer.